ShopSimoncom review. Pricing: explain what you get for your money. If you're looking for fashion or home goods online, ShopSimoncom might look appealing, but most people get this wrong by assuming prices are always final. The surprising truth is that discounts, shipping, and membership perks significantly affect total cost. ShopSimoncom offers clothing, footwear, and home products at prices ranging from for casual items to for premium brands. Standard shipping is $95, while premium members may pay $95 or get free shipping on orders over. Flash sales and seasonal promotions are frequent. What you get: a wide selection of products, competitive pricing during promotions, and membership benefits for frequent shoppers. What you give up: delivery times can vary and return policies differ by item. Some items may have limited stock or size availability. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Compare base prices and promotions. Step 2. Consider shipping costs and membership benefits. Step 3. Rate product and sizing reviews. Step 4. Factor in return and exchange policies for hassle-free shopping. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore membership perks. Paying standard shipping repeatedly can reduce overall savings. The surprising truth is that ShopSimoncom can deliver excellent value when you time purchases around sales and use membership benefits wisely. In conclusion, ShopSimoncom is a solid online retailer for clothing and home goods if you plan purchases carefully, factor in shipping, and monitor promotions. Understanding pricing ensures you get the best deal for your money.